She's like, I don't like me. It's on your nose, Gigi. Louie wants some peanut butter. Oh, Louie likes peanut butter. But she doesn't like it because it gets her little mouth all sticky. She's like, eh. Gigi like peanut butter the most? Yeah, you eat a lot of the peanut butter, Gigi. You're gonna get chubbier. Peanut butter? Peanut butter? Oh, Peppy. You have the easiest reaction. Oh, look at your little legs. When you're in the snow, Gigi, the snow is so high. Yeah, and only you could see your head. Oh. Your breath smells like peanut butter. I'm gonna get you more. It's almost gone, guys. You have to share it. She's like, no, when she eats my finger. Oh, Louie. Now let's give some to G. Just a little guy, because you already had a lot. Okay. Oh yeah, Peppy like peanut butter. Peppy like peanut butter. Okay. Oh, Gigi. Grandel, you don't want any more peanut butter? Peppy, more peanut butter? Louie wants some peanut butter. Delilah wants some peanut butter. Oh, Louie like peanut butter, but it gets her little mouth sticky. You want peanut butter on your birthday? You want peanut butter cake? Yeah? You want peanut butter cake for your birthday? Your birthday is March 15th. Nobody knows your birthday. We just say your birthday is when we got you. Because we don't know. And we don't know your birthday either. Oh, I'm sorry I don't have any more. Honeys. Okay. It's okay, babies. Who wants to lick up my peanut butter cup? Here you go, guys. Oh, here comes Scary. Come here, baby. You want some peanut butter? I cut up some apples and I put peanut butter with them. I had a lot left over because I like peanut butter. I gave them to the doggies. Oh, Louie love it. Louie love peanut butter. Okay, bye-bye. Here, bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Good girl.